Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update your MacBook. In order to update the software of your MacBook, first you're going to have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. So if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, then check your Wi-Fi connection right here. And if you are connected via the Ethernet cable, then make sure that it fits firmly in your adapter, and make sure that you can actually access some web pages using it. Then navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your MacBook, select System Settings, and once you enter the system settings, go to General tab on the sidebar, then open Software Updates menu and let your MacBook find the available updates for your device. Once it finds an update, you'll be able to select Update Now and also check the information about the prepared update by clicking the Info icon. Click Update Now, and now since this is the Safari update, so our browser update, you're gonna have to close application and then install the new update. Okay, and so once right now the browser is updated and the MacBook is checking for updates once again, we can also manually check by clicking Check for Updates. And if MacBook finds any available updates for our device, then it will be shown right here and we'll be able to download and install it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.